Hello guys, how are you? Today I'll show you what I'm facing today. The Facebook when I try to facebook.com, this is showing this error. I'm facing this site can be reached. I'm reloading this option. You're seeing it's not loading at my end. It's taking time to load. Let's do it. You are seeing it is not coming. So first of all, I am going to search bar to control panel. Okay, then if you do not see this, you have to choose from here. You must be see these things, and if you see this thing, then you will change this category to large icons. Then you will see these options. Then you have to choose from internet options. After seeing these options, you have to go to connections and then LAN settings. If your device has these options checked, you have to uncheck this option, and you have to check this automatically detect settings. Make sure this option is checked and this option is unchecked. Then okay, then you have to select from advanced tab, then restore advanced settings, then apply. I'm trying again. If it's resolved, let's wait for some seconds. So you're seeing it's not resolved yet, so I have to try another option. So from here, network option, we have to right click on here and open network settings. After that, change adapter options. If you have seen anything else of that, in my case it is Ethernet. You should have Wi-Fi or LAN 1, LAN 2, whatever. Just double click on here and properties. From here, just uncheck this option. TCP IPv6 uncheck. Then here you have to click on here IPv4, then properties. First you have to try with both of these: obtain IP address automatically, obtain DNS server address automatically. If these both option not work, then try to change this. Use the following DNS server address. I am adding the server address 8888. Then alternate DNS will be 8844. So just okay, then close. I'm closing all this. Now I'm trying to yeah, you are seeing my Facebook is working now. So this issue is resolved in my case. Thank you guys. Please let me know if your options are also works. Thank you. See you now in the next video.